the all-compassionate. All praises and thanks be to Allah Almighty, who is the Supreme Lord of the universe. Assalamu alaikum. This is Sobia Khalil, Director Operations, Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. I'm deeply humbled and honored to be selected for the exalted obligation of sharing the remarkable success story of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges and to showcase the achievements of our brilliant students. It's my pleasure, first of all, to welcome you all on the grand celebration of 25th and 26th Annual Prize Distribution Ceremony of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, Ar-Rahman Campus and Ar-Rahim Campus. I'm delighted to start welcoming by the eminent and prominent chief guest of the day, Rana Rizwan Kadir, Special Secretary, Forestry, Wildlife and Fisheries Department, South Punjab. Thank you so very much, sir, for sparing your precious time and gracing our event with your presence. Next, I would like to render a warm welcome to another chief guest of the day, Ma'am Nabila Rizwan, Divisional Personnel Officer, Multan Railway Division. Thank you, ma'am, for your presence. Thank you so much for joining us to celebrate the success of our students. And next, I would like to render a heartfelt, a deep-felt welcome to all the very special guests of today's event, and they are the honorable and the respected parents of Ar-Rahim Campus and Ar-Rahman Campus. Alongside, I want to say a warm welcome, a joyful welcome to all the students of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, Ar-Rahman Campus and Ar-Rahim Campus. A welcome clap from my side to all the very special guests of the day. You all are warmly welcomed on the behalf of our respected Chairman, Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, Sir Javed Iqbal, and the team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. Respected audience, I'm feeling blessed beyond my years at the moment because this is the moment of gratitude and gratefulness. So from the deepest core of my heart, I'm highly thankful to Allah Almighty for all the countless blessings that Allah gave us even without asking. Alhamdulillah. Millions and trillions thanks to Allah Almighty at the successful completion of 26 years of excellence of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. So I must say congratulations to all of the parents, congratulations to all the students, congratulations to all the team members, and congratulations to respected Chairman Sir Javed Iqbal. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now the time to reflect on the remarkable journey, the success story of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. So let's take a moment to review the milestones achieved, the challenges overcome, and the triumphs celebrated. Dear audience, it was 1995 when a big dream and aim was set by the respected Chairman, Sir Javed Iqbal. The dream to contribute something positive to the society, and the dream to start a school system with a combination of international standards of education along with Islamic moral values. That big dream came into reality in 1998 with the start of our first campus named Al-Awwal Campus, and with the motto of our school, reshape character, and the slogan, spread light. At the launch of Britain International College Network, a new logo is introduced. Dream big, your future starts here. And Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah Almighty, in 2024, there are 43 campuses of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges all over Pakistan, Alhamdulillah, 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 along with 1,700 plus team members and 17,000 plus students, Alhamdulillah. And this is, respected audience, Alhamdulillah, I'm proudly saying that your system, Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, has become the fastest growing system of Pakistan, and the list of our campuses is there, the authorized campuses is there on the screen. You can see that. By the grace of Allah Almighty, we are offering Hifzul Quran department in 8 of our campuses, and we have successfully established 12 premium campuses which are fully equipped with the facilities for our beloved students. And Alhamdulillah, there are 2 upcoming projects. Inshallah, very soon you will see a premium campus in Multan city, another premium campus with the name of Al-Ahad campus. It will be launched in Burj Executive Villas very soon. And the second campus we are going to start in Qadirpur Rawa with the name of Al-Ghani campus. It will be inaugurated in the month of January 2025, inshallah. And furthermore, respected parents, you would be very happy to know that to cope up with 21st century education challenges, we have aligned our curriculum with STEM, and we introduced STEM aligned curriculum in all of our campuses. I think you have seen that your kids, they are performing different activities, different practical activities in the school. That is because of the STEM aligned curriculum. And no doubt, this is the unique system. Respected parents, you will be happy to know. I hope you will be satisfied to know that your kids are studying in such a system which is offering a comprehensive range of educational programs. We offer playgroup to matriculation, O-levels, A-levels, intermediate, and Hifzul Quran department along with school studies. And not only these educational programs, dear parents, Alhamdulillah, we are showing remarkable results in all of these educational departments, and now it's the time to reveal the outstanding and commendable results of our students during the last 2 sessions. I hope you will be very happy to know that Alhamdulillah, हर साल बोर्ड इम्तिहानात में पोजीशन हासिल करने का एजाज बरकरार है, और ये एजाज है ब्रिटेन ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस के पास. There should be a wonderful clap for the wonderful system of Pakistan city, Pakistan, Alhamdulillah. Respected audience, Alhamdulillah, in 2023, in intermediate, one of our students achieved first position in board examination, and his name is Fahama Ali. And then second position again goes to our own student in intermediate, and she is Maham Mansoor. And fifth position goes to Daud Ahmad in intermediate Multan board. Let's go to the matriculation results. 2 of our students, they achieved highest marks, 1085 out of 1100 in board examination. They are Mahrish Jaleel and Wada Paracha. And let's take a review of the summary of matriculation examination. Total students appeared in the exam were 316. Out of that, 221 students achieved A+ grades, and 297 students achieved A+ and A grade, and there was 100% result, Alhamdulillah. And in Cambridge department, the story is not ended yet here. Let's move on. In Cambridge department, in O-levels, 2 of our students achieved 8 A*s and A's out of 8 subjects, and many of the students, they achieved 7 A*s and A's, 6 A*s and A's. Their names, their pictures are presented on the screen, you can see. And by the grace of Allah Almighty, in the year 2023, 38 students, they completed Hifzul Quran, and they passed the examination of Wafaq al-Madaris, Alhamdulillah. And here comes the outstanding, remarkable and commendable results of 2024. An intermediate examination, once again, our student Munib Ahmed, he got second position in Multan board, Alhamdulillah. In matriculation department, the outstanding, parents please, I need your attention, you'll be really very happy. This is the pride moment. that in 9th metric examination, 3 of our students, they got 550 marks out of 555. Their names are Maryam Sarfaraz, Amna Ata and Hamza Riaz. And the second position holders, they scored 548 marks out of 555. They are Rumasa Arshad and Maila Abid. And the third position goes to 3 students. They achieved 546 marks out of 555. They are Hamna Suhail, Maryam Salman and Muhammad Usman Hasnain, Alhamdulillah. And here comes the summary of 9 matriculation examination. Dear parents, this summary is very important. This summary is very important actually, because to achieve the position, it's a matter of just few students. Maybe 1, 2, 3. First, second and third position holders, but what about others? बाकी के बच्चों का मुस्तकबिल क्या है? क्या उनका फ्यूचर सेव है या नहीं? At the platform of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, इंशाल्लाह आप सुन के बहुत खुश होंगे. और ब्रिटेन ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस वो वाहिद इदारा है डियर पेरेंट्स जो अपने रिजल्ट्स की समरी आपके सामने ओपन करता है. आपको पता है हम आपको ब्रशेस भी भिजवाते हैं घर में अपने तमाम स्टूडेंट्स के तमाम रिजल्ट्स के साथ, ताकि आपको पता लगे कि ब्रिटेन ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस का हर बच्चा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हाई अचीवर है और A+ एंड A ग्रेड स्कोर कर रहा है. सो लेट्स लुक एट द समरी ऑफ 9th एग्जामिनेशन. टोटल अपीयर्ड स्टूडेंट्स वर 464. Out of that, 303 students, they achieved A+ grades, and 387 students achieved A+ and 8 A grades. This is really the outstanding, remarkable results. Clap तो बनती है, क्योंकि मेहनत से ये रिजल्ट हासिल किया गया है. बच्चों की मेहनत, उनके वालिदैन की मेहनत, उनके टीचर्स की मेहनत, बहुत सारे लोगों की मेहनत शामिल है इस रिजल्ट्स में. एंड हियर आर द टॉप position holders of matriculation. First position goes to Bilal Ahmed. He achieved 1176 marks out of 1200. Second position goes to Amna Hasnain. She achieved 1174 marks out of 1200. And third position goes to Laiba Atiq and Norisa Khan. They scored 1173 marks out of 1200. And the summary of matriculation examination is the total appeared students were 382, A+ grade students 261, and A+ and A grade students are 325 out of 382. तो फिर ब्रिटेन स्कूल का हर बच्चा है ना हाई अचीवर, the top scorer alhamdulillah with 100% results. Let's move to the Cambridge department again. In 2024, in AS level, Arham Hanan, he got 3 A's out of 3 subjects. And 2 students, Sharjeel Ali Khan and Hafiz Umar Sadan, scored 4 A* and A's out of 4 subjects. Dear parents, जितने भी subjects में बच्चे appear हो रहे हैं alhamdulillah, straight away they are scoring A* and A grades by the grace of Allah Almighty. And Abdullah Saeed scored 3 A's out of 3 subjects. And furthermore, in O levels, our students Hassan Tahir, he got 8 A* and A's out of 8 subjects, and alhamdulillah 4 students, they achieved 7 A* and A's out of 8 subjects. They are Asadullah Rashid, Atibur Rahim, Saim Salim Khan and Muhammad Usman Tahir. The story is not ended at dear parents, because I am having a surprise result with me at the moment. तो दिल थाम के सुनिएगा, आपके सिस्टम ब्रिटेन ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस के सिस्टम के स्टूडेंट, he scored the distinction at world level in all levels, alhamdulillah. This is really a benchmark result of a high campus. The student name is Asadullah Rashid. And alhamdulillah, he is going to be awarded with Outstanding Cambridge Learners Award 2024. This is really the greatest achievement. Congratulations to all of the parents, to all of the team members. Congratulations, respected Sir Javed Iqbal. And by the grace of Allah Almighty, let's move to the Hifzul Quran department. In 2024, our 27 students completed Hifzul Quran. and they passed the examination of Wafaqul Madaris. In altogether, respected audience, altogether from 2012 2024, our 193 students, they have completed Hifzul Quran at the platform of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. And I am having a good news for the parents of Ar-Rahim campus today, that inshallah we are going to launch the Hifzul Quran department for girls at Ar-Rahim campus in the year 2024 inshallah. अभी मैंने बताया 8 campuses में है inshallah. 2025 से 9 campuses में हम Hifzul Quran start करेंगे. Rather it will be 10 because in our Lahore campus, Al-Muqeet campus Lahore, the Hifzul Quran department is also going to be launched by the year 2025 inshallah. Dear parents, definitely after listening all of these achievements, the remarkable results, the question arises in the minds of everyone sitting around, that what is behind these all achievements? So the answer is Allah's blessings, Allah's blessings, only the blessings of Allah Almighty. And what I believe, I strongly believe, respected parents, Allah's blessings are there with all of us in the form of your trust, in the form of your prayers. So तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया डियर पेरेंट्स. पिछले 26 साल से आपका ट्रस्ट, आपकी दुआएं, आपका ताउन अगर हमारे साथ ना होता तो शायद ये माइलस्टोन्स अचीव ना हो पाते. From my side there is a huge round of applause for all of the respected parents for your continuous support for the last 26 years. Jazakallah everyone. And after that, what I believe, Allah's blessings are with us in the form of the efforts of the team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. No doubt, we are having very hard-working team. Team members, you are the driving force behind all of these achievements, and I'm greatly thankful. Developed his own team, alhamdulillah, dear parents. I am standing in front of you, the live example. I started my journey at Britain Group of Schools and Colleges 21 years back. I started as a teacher, and today I am standing as the director operation. So this is the proof that Sir Javed Iqbal is giving training to his own team members. So thank you so very much. Jazakallah, respected sir. Sir Javed Iqbal ki jo team hai, mashallah, they are heading up all of the departments at head office. More than 10 departments are working at head office, and the whole team, all the heads, they are trained by Sir Javed Iqbal. And not only the head office, mashallah, the team at campuses, all the administration, they are the direct student of Sir Javed Iqbal. यही वजह है पेरेंट्स, आप देखते हैं यहाँ पर स्टेज पे आने वाला हर पर्सन, हर स्टूडेंट, हर टीचर सर की तारीफ कर रहा होता है, उनकी रिस्पेक्ट में बहुत कुछ कह जाता है. Why it is so? Because behind that, his lots of efforts are there. Thank you so very much, sir, for melting yourself like a candle for your team members. He wants to make all of the team members valuable and all of the students high achiever. From the core of my heart, few of the lines for you, respected sir. खुदा करे ये खुशियाँ, ये रौनकें, ये हंसी. खुदा करे ये खुशियाँ, ये रौनकें, ये हंसी. बदल बदल के नए रूप तेरे घर आए. खुशी के लुत्फ से सरशार झूमते शब रोज. खुदा करे तेरी किस्मत में लिख दिए जाएं. खुदा करे हो अरमान जिसका दुनिया को, मुकाम वो तुझे अज खुद हुसूल हो जाए। तेरी दुआ तेरे होंठों पे आने से पहले हुजूर हक में दुआ है कबूल हो जाए। आमीन। जज़ाकल्लाह respected parents. Once again, I want to say thanks to everyone sitting around. A deepest thanks to the chief guest of the day, Rana Rizwan Kadir Sahab, Special Secretary, Forestry, Wildlife, Fishery Department, South Punjab. Thank you, sir, for sparing your time and joining us. Thank you to Ma'am Nabila Rizwan, the DPO Multan Railway Division. Thank you so very much, ma'am, for joining us. And thanks once again to all of the respected parents for sparing your precious time for the appreciation and motivation of our students. आपकी clap हमारी appreciation और motivation के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. Jazakallah everyone. May Allah bless you all.